Good morning children. Welcome back to today's class. Today also we are going to revise our lesson. Okay, today we are going to revise the remaining part of the lesson. In the previous class we have revised only one page number 1. That means about Mowgli. He lives in a small village. He is a little boy. He lives in a jungle. But one day when he was going through the jungle, walking through the jungle, he met his friend, and this Mowgli was singing a song and going. Then he met his friend Balu. Who is Balu? Bear, the bear. Bear name is Balu. So he met his friend Balu, and by hearing Mowgli's song, Balu said, "Such a nice song. It's a beautiful song." So then what happened? Balu once again asked if there will be a music with it. It will be a very nice song if there will be a music. When they both are talking, when they both are discussing about the song and the music, above the branches they heard a sound. They heard some sound. All the monkeys are making much of sound. The monkeys are screaming and shouting there. They are making sound. And monkeys heard what these two, Mowgli and Bhalu, are talking. So, these monkeys said, by chattering, they said, "Don't worry, we will make a music for you." Okay. Till here, yesterday we have revised. Now I want the name of the lesson. Actually, I have to ask before I start the class, but I want to know from you. The name of the lesson is The Monkey Orchestra. The name of the lesson is, first lesson, The Monkey Orchestra. Okay, this is the name of the lesson. Today we will continue the remaining part. Okay, we will be page number 2, second page number 2 from the textbook. Okay, we will be very happy, said Bhalu, but how can you? You do not have any guitar, drums or any musical instruments like that. Bhalu said, if you want to play music, then we will be very happy. Yeah, we will be very happy. Okay, we are happy. Then, but how will you play the music? You do not have any type of guitar, any drums or any type of musical instruments. మీ దగ్గర ఏ మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ లేనప్పుడు మీరు ఎలా ప్లే చేస్తారు అని బాలు అడిగింది. ఎవరిని? To whom? To monkeys. So the monkeys jumped over to an old hollow log that was lying on the ground. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dub, 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 dubba, dub. So the monkeys laughed and said, they do not need any type of musical instruments. They don't want any type of musical instruments because what they did, the monkeys jumped over a hollow log. Hollow log meediki jump chesi. They started hitting the hollow log with their hands to make the sound dub, 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 dubba, dub, dub, dub sound. మనం హాలో లాగ్ని కొడితే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఖాళీ డబ్బాని కొడితే డబ్ డబ్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది కదా. సో అలాగే ఈ హాలో లాగ్ని మంకీస్ హిట్ చేయడం, వాటి చేతితో హ్యాండ్స్తో హిట్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసి సౌండ్ చేసి. Some of them brought some dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Chung, chung, chung. Some of the monkeys went and brought some dried gourds. ఎండిపోయిన gourds like పొట్లకాయ ఉంటాయి కదా, లోపల సీడ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, డ్రైడ్ గార్డ్స్ తీసుకొచ్చి స్టార్టెడ్ షేకింగ్ లైక్ ర్యాటిల్. చిన్నపిల్లలు ఆడుకునేది ఉంటుంది కదా, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది గలగల అని. సో ర్యాటిల్స్ అంటాం వాటి. సో వాటిలాగా సౌండ్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసేది. హౌ ద సౌండ్ ఈజ్ చంగ్ 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 లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, సో some of them tied some long planks to a couple of branches and began playing them. Twing, twing, twing. They went twing, twang, 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 twang. Okay, some of the monkeys tied plants from here to there, this tree to that tree. Some in jungle, so many trees will be there. Am I right? So some monkeys tied some plants. తీగల్లాగా ఉంటాయి కదా నాన్న. సో that plants they tied from this tree to that. ఇక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడ దాకా కట్టి began to start playing twang 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 like guitar. వైర్ని ఇలా చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది కదా, ట్వాంగ్ ట్వాంగ్. లైక్ దట్ ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ని కూడా అక్కడ నుంచి ఇటు కట్టేసి టై చేసి స్టార్టెడ్ ప్లేయింగ్ లైక్ ట్వాంగ్ ట్వాంగ్ ట్వాంగ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ మ్యూజిక్ బ్యాండ్ యూ మేక్ సెడ్ మోగ్లీ. బై సీయింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్, ఇదంతా చూసి బై సీయింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ Mowgli said, what a wonderful music band it is. Music band means you know, I think so many people will play music at one place. ఒక ట్రూప్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఒక బ్యాచ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ అ మ్యూజిక్ బ్యాండ్. సో వాట్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ మ్యూజిక్ బ్యాండ్ యూ మేడ్ సెడ్ మోగ్లీ. మోగ్లీ ఏం చెప్పాడు, ఎంత మంచి మ్యూజికల్ బ్యాండ్ ఉంది మీది అని చెప్పాడు. సో మోగ్లీ sang his song and his monkey band played along with them. So Mowgli started singing the song along. Then monkeys also started playing the band along with Mowgli. Mowgli పాట పాడడం స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు. సో monkeys కూడా మ్యూజిక్ ప్లే చేయడం, బ్యాండ్ ప్లే చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేశాయి. The sound of band was so good that Balu just had to dance and sing along. The sound of దట్ బ్యాండ్ వాజ్ సో గుడ్. అది ఎంత చక్కగా వస్తుంది ఆ మ్యూజిక్ సౌండ్ అండ్ సాంగ్ అన్నీ కూడా ఎంత చక్కగా వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ బాలు జస్ట్ హ్యాడ్ టు డాన్స్ అండ్ సింగ్. వాళ్ళు పాట పాడుతూ మ్యూజిక్ ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉంటే బాలు కూడా తను ఆపుకోలేక, కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోలేక డాన్స్ చేయడం తనకి చాలా నచ్చి డాన్స్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసిందంట. వాట్ ఏ లవ్లీ టైమ్ దే హ్యాడ్. ఎంత మంచి టైం కదా వాళ్ళకుంది. సో అందరూ కలిసి, మ్యూజిక్ బ్యాండ్ మొత్తం కలిసి మోగ్లీతో పాటు మ్యూజిక్ ప్లే చేస్తుంటే మోగ్లీ సాంగ్ పాడుతున్నాడు. సో అది విని మన బాలు కూడా డాన్స్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 2 ఐ విల్ రీడ్, యూ పుట్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ ఆన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అండ్ ఫాలో. ఓకే, we would be very happy said Bhalu, but how can you play? You do not have any guitars, drums or any musical instruments like that. But the monkeys just laughed. We do not need any of them, they cried. The monkeys jumped over an old hollow log that was lying on the ground. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dub, 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 dub. Okay, some of them brought some dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Chung, 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 chung. So, some of them tied some long plants to a couple of branches and began playing them twang, twang. They went twang, 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 twang. What a wonderful music band you make. So, said Mowgli. So, Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. The sound of band was so good that Balu just had to dance and sing along, boopy dooder, boopy doo. What a lovely time they had. So my dear children, this is the lesson. So I think you have one more 4-rule notebook. ఇంకొక 4-rule notebook ఉంది కదా నా. So that is for homework, HW, small copy. So I'll give you small copy for previous class also and for today's class also. Okay, 2 pages today. You please note down. Write the date. Write the date on the first page of small copy. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D and small d. This is the yesterday's homework. This is yesterday's homework. homework and today's homework and the next page. This is in one page. You have to write in one page and in next another page. It is another second page, another page. Capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h. This is your today's homework. This is yesterday's and this is today's homework. Please note down in your small copy. Please note down in your small copy. Along with this, I'll give some hard words. I mean 5 hard words. You have to write for one time and post it to your concerned class teacher. Okay. Write these words in rough notebook itself. Music. Monologue. Jumped. Right chords. Wonderful. Write these 5 hard words in your rough notebook and send it to your concerned class teacher. That's all for today, my dear children. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.